What's up guys, I'm here, family day at Santa Monica Pier. I'm gonna make a video with my Nikon Z6 with the Atomos Ninja V and shoot in log and then compare it to the Nikon Z6 built-in flat profile. And my question is it really worth the upgrade of getting an Atomos Ninja? How good is the Nikon Z6 flat profile? Let's go check it out. So some of the benefits of using an Atomos Ninja V is that it allows you to shoot in ProRes at 422 10-bit. That means that it gives you billion colors compared to 8-bit internal, which gives you about 16 million colors. So then the gradient is a lot smoother and you get better dynamic range. Also, ProRes runs a lot smoother in your iMac if you're using an Apple computer than any other video codec. Like for example, my GoPro footages, which is an MP4, when I preview it on my 2015 iMac, it chugs, it skips, and it doesn't have a smooth playback. With my ProRes, even though the file size is a lot bigger, it plays a lot smoother. So editing makes it a lot easier too, right? So the best part for me about using an N-Log with Atomos and Z6 is the skin color. The skin looks so nice. It's very pleasing to the eye. And all you need to do is just adjust the curves and a little bit of contrast and you get perfect looking skin color, at least to me. Now, some of the cons about using an Atomos Ninja V is that automatically your camera's minimum ISO is at 800. So you need to bring an ND filter so that way you could shoot at a proper exposure. Second thing is that the autofocus isn't that good because everything is flat. I guess the camera has a hard time seeing the contrast. So it's not really good at autofocusing, but it still does the job decent. The last part that I don't like about having the Atomos is that it makes your camera super heavy. Look how big that thing is. Just walking around the park with this thing, everyone's just looking at you. But it's not a big deal really. So the only thing that I don't like about shooting in flat profile is that because it's an 8-bit video, the shadow area of the skin has some kind of discoloration. There's some gray in there, some random different colors that kind of break up the smoothness of the skin. It's not too noticeable if you're looking at it from a distance, but if you zoom in, you could kind of see it. But you kind of expect that for an 8-bit video. I see it on my GH5 and my other cameras too, so I'm not surprised. So is it worth spending that extra $1,000 for the Atomos Ninja V? Case, battery, cables? I say yes if you're shooting professionally. You definitely want to give your clients the best quality video that you can. And the Atomos Ninja V will bump up your Z6 to be a high quality video camera. If you're shooting just for fun, you definitely don't need that upgrade because the quality of the video that's in the Nikon Z6 is just as amazing. And plus, if you are making YouTube videos, then when you compare 8-bit, 10-bit video to it, you really can't see the difference because the YouTube already compresses it so much. So having an Atomos Ninja V is almost like just a turbo booster for your car. Some people need it, some people don't. So guys, that concludes my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.